Khubor kapati CTV.
This love has no ceiling, I cannot deny.
All we need is somebody to lean on.
Kabul, ka machine ka balas snacker pang ka ba kamskem, kamsted, kamklan, bat maduna bam umpia.
Ka Freedom Hangout ke badai ka kinho na kanong ba Mumbai. Hakateo bladap, college shaman lagi Skul ke badan hanong ba Shillong. Kata, ha Shillong Public School, ha Shillong College, ha H. Ilyas Higher Secondary School, ha Kamala Nehru School, bat ha 7 Set Higher Secondary School, ban Pynsngewthuh yikina school shapang ki jinga day para kena, ha ke saukan ro, jugi kamera kelas, ban Pynsngewthuh ke jinga Ieid, ke jinga Burom markelyang, ke Jinglaitluid ke jinga perkhat, limba ke jinga tirnya, ha ke rinsan yikindo lang. Ya kari gajing Pynsngewthuh jangga Freedom Hangout dalam khamat du Derek D'Souza bat Kim D'Souza. Milayo rubanya keren bagi principal jangga Kamala Nehru Higher Secondary School Shillong. Ie thank you ibla penpau bakan nega program klalong shisha ke badan jingmut na kebenta ke kena school.
Okay, at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, my name is Kim D'Souza and I am based out of Mumbai and I am the founder of this initiative called Freedom Hangout. This initiative is targeted at the young people, okay, the teenagers and the youth. And what we do is we travel together as a team, a group of young people. We go from one state to another and we inspire lives. So right now, if you look at our youth, they are struggling with a lot of questions, whether it is in the area of friendship, relationship, even self-worth. Some of them don't believe in themselves, and you see the suicide rates are on an all-time high. So this is a small effort on our part to help the youth of our country. And this is the reason why we are here. We started off this initiative in the state of Assam. We started off with Guwahati. Then we have traveled to Ladakh. We have done our hangout meets in Mumbai. And we are so happy to be in Shillong, in the state of Meghalaya. We have covered 5 schools so far. And the response has been tremendous. The principals, the students, when we are holding our sessions, we can see how it is impacting and touching lives. They are weeping, they are crying. Some of them have, they are coming to us and saying that we have never heard something like this. So we are so happy.
Hi, my name is Derek D'Souza and I'm a co-founder of Freedom Hangout. And this initiative is mainly to reach out to all youth across India and even someday internationally. But we're starting with India first. Our main purpose is to make sure that our youth's lives are empowered, not with just ideas, but with understanding of who they are, what they are made for, and how they already have everything to overcome every obstacle in life. So we deal with a lot of different kinds of problems that our young youth are currently going through. It could be any kind of problem. The way we do it is we reach out to schools, we understand from the principal, from the teachers, what problems they're going through. And then based on that, we design content and we come, and the way we do it is very different. So we don't do it just by speaking. We bring in different music, stories, perspectives, understanding, and empower people so that they can overcome whatever problem they are going through. If you see today's youth, they are very confused about a lot of issues. They're confused about identity, they don't know, they are in depression, they are in addiction, they are in debt, they are in all kinds of problems. And money is not the solution. The main solution is understanding how to get out of that problem. Freedom Hangout is basically an initiative to break the chains of our youth across India and the globe. Once their chains are broken, our youth will find purpose in the reason they are made, and they'll find purpose in society, they'll find purpose in their homes, purpose in their families, and that's the way we make a strong city, a strong country, and a strong nation. So please take this time. You can go online on Instagram, check out our videos. We've come here to Shillong. We've partnered with many schools. We've had an overwhelming response. There are going to be many testimonials. We've had youth's life change, testimonies of people crying, telling us that this was exactly what they needed. So I want you to go online, check it out for yourself. And if you feel, connect with us. Our phone number is there. We will come and partner with you. I've just told you a few of the contents or the modules that we have, but we have digital content, we have online content, we have face-to-face content, we have all kinds of tools to help our youth. So please do connect with us. From myself, Derek D'Souza, I say freedom, hang out with freedom. Thank you.
Ngadi kong aruma thank you principal jong ke Kamala Nehru Higher Secondary School hang ni hapo Fire Brigade Shillong. Ngi kini ka program Freedom Hangout ka bangi yok mentara singi ke school jungi kalau ka school tunat sisa ngi sungu bakadon kini ka team na Mumbai ka Palawan ka ba host ka ba penlong ni ka program school jungi but kalau ka program ka basngol tunat bha namar ba kini ki subject ki ba ki kena ki don kam bangi osngol na kapor sa kapor kuno ba kilong ki ba koridor ki ba kerpang ki don ya ka dor nang ta bat kila ban le kanu ka ba ki po sniu ka jingeng bujong ki mo bat ba umdan kanu ka GA ka bala ban yeng ka kalenti jongki sha ka jing crown la da ki don tang ka jingeng ka bas kem haladi ti ka di ka program ka basngol tunat ku mangoong bat ngangej ba ka baka impact juga ni ka program kalong life changing sisa haki kena ti kublai shubun